G'day guys. For the X-TRAIL, just in case, because I've had these bent in with the wrong thing the wrong way around. So the way you orientate that is that way. Okay, you can see the filter there. Okay, and by virtue of these Renault inspired things, is like that. That's the cover, pushes it and seals it on. So yeah, been getting a few of them mucked about, bent, whatever. So yeah, hope that helps. Pretty straightforward though, but yeah, just push gently on these tabs. Push, not, you know, I guess you could maybe put something down there. I wouldn't though. It's, yeah, maybe you can put a screwdriver there, but it looks like that'll snap off. You just get two hands and push on the little triangles down there. Hope that helps. Bye.